BIPOC meaning Black, Indigenous, and People of Color. BIPOC is an abbreviation that stands for Black, Indigenous, and People of Color. Without regard for the brightness or darkness of skin tone, Black can refer to dark-skinned peoples of Africa, Oceania, and Australia, or their descendants, who were enslaved by white people. The term Indigenous refers to ethnic groups aboriginal to the Americas who were massacred in large numbers by white people. Non-white individuals are referred to as people of color when they confront racism and prejudice in a white-dominated culture. BIPOC is a term that has grown in popularity and awareness during the 2020 George Floyd anti-racism and anti-police brutality protests in the United States and Canada. It is intended to highlight the unique challenges that Black and Indigenous peoples face in the United States and Canada, particularly because Indigenous peoples are often marginalized, get forgotten in social justice causes, and that anti-Black racism is particularly virulent.